Question tags tag questions. Question tags are one kind of questions. These are attached to the end of a statement to give it added force. Generally, question tags are used in conversation and in letters. We use question tags to confirm the given information. He is clever, isn't he? Is not he? Here, he is clever is the statement. Isn't he is the question tag or the tag attached to it. Rules to frame, prepare question tags. A positive statement takes a negative tag. Example, she is beautiful, isn't she? A negative statement takes a positive tag. Example, he cannot swim across the river. Can he? If the subject in the statement is pronoun, we shall use same pronoun in the tag. Example, she is my sister, isn't she? I am not a student, am I? If the subject in the statement is noun, we shall use suitable pronoun in the tag. Example, Rakesh has gone to Mumbai, hasn't If there is a helping verb in the statement, we shall use same helping verb in the tag. Example, they are going to Hyderabad, aren't they? If there is a main verb or action verb in the statement, we shall use suitable do form, do or does or did, according to the tense of the main verb. Example, they go now, don't they? She takes coffee, doesn't she? Raju drove a car, didn't he? In the case of am not I, ain't I, we should use aren't I. Example, I am very lucky, aren't I? Semi-negative words like little, few, hardly, scarcely, rarely, seldom are treated as negatives and take a positive tag. These words aren't seen to be negative words, but these give negative sense. Example, few people attended the meeting, did they? We could scarcely understand what he said. Could we? They seldom meet me. Do they? A few and a little are positive. They take a negative tag. A few people attended the meeting, didn't they? A little progress has been made, hasn't it? A suggestion that uses let's takes shall we in the tag. Example, let's have a game of chess. Although everybody and everyone are singular, for the purpose of tag, they treated as plural and referred by they. Example, everybody can't be pleased. Can they? Everyone appreciated the musician, didn't they? None of followed by a plural noun is also treated as a plural and takes they in the tag. Example, none of the clerks came. Did they? Some of you takes you in the tag. Example, some of you are learning French, aren't you? In imperative sentences, we use will or would and can or could in the tag. We use both positive and negative tags. Example, post this letter for me. Will you? Oh, shut up. Couldn't you? Fill up the blanks with suitable question tags. You can speak English dash.
Answer. You can speak English, can't you?
I am very lucky dash.
Answer. I am very lucky, aren't I?
The elephants were very cruel dash.
Answer. The elephants were very cruel, weren't they?
She came late dash.
Answer. She came late, didn't she?
He hasn't been given a prize dash.
Answer. He hasn't been given a prize, has she?
They will be coming back dash.
Answer. They will be coming back, won't they?
Padmaja didn't pass the exam dash.
Answer. Padmaja didn't pass the exam, did she?
I am not a doctor dash.
Answer. I am not a doctor, am I?
Everybody attended the meeting dash.
Answer. Everybody attended the meeting, didn't they?
A few students speak in English dash.
Answer. A few students speak in English, don't they?
Rajesh can swim across the river dash.
Answer. Rajesh can swim across the river, can't he?
Kiran came late dash.
Answer. Kiran came late, didn't he?
I have given him a few mangoes. Dash.
Answer. I have given him a few mangoes. Haven't I?
They did everything. Dash.
Answer. They did everything, didn't they?
Open the windows. Dash.
Answer. Open the windows. Will you? Or